Congratulations to Brenda Day, who won $42 for closest to the line. Her ball actually came to a stop directly on the string. For the circle hole, 5 teams won, and each member received $10. They were Marsha Midget, George Anshui, Joan Glenn, Judy Jones, Linda Ahi, Mitzi Taniguchi, Joyce Close, Annette Tringham, B. Mercado, Mayako Fletcher, Pat Costantino, Leora Purcell, Sharon Keeley, Marilyn Knowles, and Joanne Williams. Thank you to those volunteers who helped make the day so much fun: Rita Landro, Russie Fries, Cindy Cross, Nancy Murray, Patsy Green, Sandy Cooper, John Jones, Dee Reese, George Moyer, Deanne Smith, Jim Robison, Robin, and Brandon Niemeyer, Sandy Alexanian, Ellie Alward, Jean Bowman, Marilyn Knowles, and Marsha Midget.